Hello guys, we're gonna do tutorials on ethical hacking which we learn so far in this Everything for You channel. For learning the ethical hacking, you need a separate operating system like Parrot OS or Kali Linux. Most probably, I'm gonna explain all the tutorials in Kali Linux. So today I'm gonna explain about the installation of Kali Linux. Kali Linux is a widely used operating system by many ethical hackers as well as the black hat hackers. Kali Linux is a Debian-derived Linux distribution designed for digital forensics and penetration testing. It is maintained and funded by OpenSUSE Security Private Limited. Kali Linux has over 600 pre-installed penetration testing programs including Armitage, a graphical cyber attack management tool, as well as Nmap, a port scanner, Joan, the Reaper password cracker, the bulb shoot, etc. These are the softwares which are available in the Kali Linux. I'm gonna explain everything about all these softwares in upcoming sessions or upcoming videos. And okay, let's get into the topic: how to install Kali Linux on your PC or laptop. I will recommend the hardware specifications for smooth running of this Kali Linux. There are 10 GB of hard disk drive. Most probably SSD is most probably preferred because it is a solid state drive, which is more superior than the hard disk drive. And a minimum of 2 GB of RAM and a minimum of i3 7th generation architecture, a portable CD or DVD drive or a USB stick. If you don't have a portable CD drive, you need to download a virtual box. And let's get into the video how to install a virtual box and the Kali Linux OS. First, we need to download the virtual box. Open your browser and search for VirtualBox virtualbox.org, and there it will come, and you need to download. Go to the downloads, and you need to download this Windows host. Okay, already I downloaded this, so I'm canceling this download. And again, you need to download the expansion packs. You need to download this VirtualBox 6.1.4 Oracle VM VirtualBox extension packs, and I downloaded this also, so I'm canceling this download. After downloading this VirtualBox and this VirtualBox extension pack, and you need to download the Kali Linux operating system. For that, you need to type the Kali Linux or open this first www.kali.org, open the site, go to downloads, and go to the bottom. There you can see this Kali Linux 64-bit virtual box. If your system is 32-bit, you need to download this Kali Linux 32-bit virtual box. And my PC is a Kali 64-bit, so that I'm downloading this Kali Linux 64-bit virtual box. You need to click on this OpenSUSE Security VM download page, and you will automatically redirected to this download link. And here you need to download this you need to click on this Kali Linux VirtualBox images. Just leave this first one, and just click on the second one, Kali Linux VirtualBox images. You should not download this Kali Linux VMware images. Okay. After clicking on the second line, which is Kali Linux VirtualBox images, and you need to download. If your system is a 32-bit, you need to download this 32-bit torrent, or if your system is 64-bit, you need to download this torrent. My system is a 64-bit, so I'm gonna download this Kali Linux VirtualBox 64-bit torrent, which is of 3.1 GB. So I'm downloading this Kali Linux VirtualBox 64-bit. Already I downloaded this one also, so I'm canceling this download. Okay, after this, these are the files which we downloaded. Now this is the VirtualBox, and this is the Kali Linux OS, and this is the VirtualBox extension pack. And let us install this VirtualBox. And click on next. Click on next. Don't look for anything. Click on yes and click on install. It takes a few minutes. Have some patience and install the VirtualBox. VirtualBox is nothing but a it is nothing but you can handle or you can maintain any number of operating systems temporarily, okay, in this VirtualBox. After downloading, after installing this VirtualBox, let's open this VirtualBox. See there you can find this. This is the home page of this VirtualBox, and minimize it, and we need to download this extension packs. Already I installed this extension pack, so you should click on this extension pack and it will automatically download it. Okay, anyway, I'm gonna reinstall this extension packs for you. Click on I agree and click on as, and your extension pack will start downloading. And this extension pack of VirtualBox is installed successfully. Okay, after that you need to click on this Kali Linux operating system. It will directly come to this VirtualBox, okay, because this is a VirtualBox version. And click on import. Sorry, you need to give a separate drive for this Kali Linux. So I'm giving my A drive for this Kali Linux. Okay, and click on import. Click on agree, and it will start importing your Kali Linux operating system. Takes few minutes to complete. Already I imported this Kali Linux, so I'm canceling this one. Okay, so this is my Kali Linux. After importing this Kali Linux VM, I'm sorry, this VirtualBox, you can find this option. It will come like this, and you need to right click on this, so left click on this, and you should go to the settings. In the settings, you can see your password and username. Here my username and password is Kali and Kali, so it will display your username and password of your Kali Linux operating system. And let us go to the system, and here you need to give how much RAM you should give for this Kali Linux. I'm giving 3 GB RAM for this Kali Linux. Okay, let's increase the RAM size 3.5 GB, and I'm giving two CPUs for this one. and that's it. You should not select any option, any other options. Click on OK. Okay, and you just click on this one. You select this one and click on Start. There it is. Your Kali Linux operating system starting. It is booting in 3 seconds, 2 seconds, 1 second. Let's open in the full screen mode. This is your Kali Linux operating system, which you will use in future for ethical hacking or for your cyber security crimes. I'm not supporting cyber security crimes, so we'll upload all the tutorials in this channel based on Kali Linux operating system. We're not using a Parrot operating system since it is a little bit hard. So I'm typing my username as Kali and my password is also Kali. Let us log in this one. So this is your Kali Linux operating system. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned to our Everything for You channel for learning ethical hacking. And alternatively, we'll upload all the videos related to educational purpose